What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Alex or Marzi Media. Today we have a little special feature or a little special thing we're putting on Chica's car today. If you guys know what this is, you guys know. If you don't, you won't. But yep, we have a Scatty right here, me on the floor, Chente right there, and the Scatty right here. And we have the tools, but I don't think these are the right tools because look at the bolts here.
Oh, wait, no.
Look at the bolts here. Hold on. I think this thing is supposed to come off, and then this one's supposed to come. Guys, he doesn't want to work on it. He's busy taking snaps, and I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to do it myself since I got a little experience. We're about to work on this right now, and I'm gonna show you the outcome and how to install it. If you guys want to see if we can do it, because I'm pretty sure this is the most easiest thing to do. Put a little mini toolbox. We got the 8mm. Now he's taking it off right there. Yes, we're removing it finally. We got the little tools, thanks for the G35 having to be parked right here with the available space right here in the apartments we live in. But yeah, so I got the keys and I got the toolbox from the back. And
he said this one fits really good.
Which one? That?
That's why he gave me this one, so I'm gonna use those instead of, because this one's too small.
You just drill it in? How are you gonna drill it in when you don't have? The thing. Oh no, with
oh no, this one's gonna be with the thing too.
Yeah. Oh no! Oh, the Marzi Media. Just these ones, right? The little things.
Are you recording already?
Is it red?
Yeah. Huh.
Yeah.
So we got the boys working on fucking Scatty. 4 bangers?
4 bangers production.
Yes. But yeah, guys, I couldn't get the wicker bill because
hey, you didn't like the looks of it. You want another one?
I didn't like the wicker bill, but I'm getting a different one.
He wants a bigger one.
A bigger one.
Fuck, in my hand.
So yeah.
How many bolts are you using?
There 4 bolts.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's good enough shit.
Yeah, but I'm gonna be putting like this one's more bigger one than.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Than this one.
And you just put the ones on top.
Yeah.
That's
No, I'm gonna put this one. Okay. Can you see one? Okay, put this one. To hold it?
Where?
Lay down like that, like me.
Make sure you see what the fucking hole is at. Oh shit.
Yes.
Wait, just make sure the rest holes match up with this thing.
Oh yeah, you got it. Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
Come botella de vino.
You got it, bro.
Yeah, nice.
Hold on there.
Okay. Watch it, guys. Watch. Like that. Is it good?
Just hold it. It keeps scoot over there.
Okay.
Okay. Leave it.
Yeah, that's a good one. You just need 2 more. 1, 2.
We're halfway done.
Check this out, guys. We're halfway done. See, guys, it was pretty much easy. All you gotta do is just remove, like, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4 little screws, and then you screw it in back in with little screws that came with these. Which are these? These are the aftermarket ones that came with the diffuser that he bought it from the guy. And these are the ones that came off from the what do you call it? The stock one. So you guys are gonna want to keep these if you guys were to take them off. But yeah, there's 4 of them. And yeah, it's pretty much easy, guys. It's like a quick install. This is the view from the back. All we need is the wicker bill, he said, and we're good to go from the back. He's gonna look a little bit thicker, if you know what I mean. And yeah, There's my phone right there. I just got a new one. I don't know if you guys noticed.
Give me the other one.
Which one? The little?
The other thing.
Right here.
Thank you.
What? Close the door? Wait, oh yeah, close it. Here, guys. Let's see.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool. We just need the wicker bill to match it.
Just to have it here for a bit. Go from there. Okay.
Let's see how it looks from the front. That looks stupid. Hey, Levi, let's see how it looks from the front. This one didn't get it. Yeah, but this is the reason why you didn't get a black car. Cause look, can you guys see that? This thing look nice, taking everything off. Damn.
That's when you don't get black cars.
That's when you get a black car. That's when you get an octane red.
Oh, no.
Oh, rap. I don't know if you guys noticed, but Chente did another mod that add like 20 horsepower right here, like 200 horsepower right here.
200. Let's get so I guess I'm 520 now.
And he's 520 now, from 485 to 520. He's gonna drive off. He wants to see how it looks. What do you say? Go that way. Honestly, I don't know what you guys think, but I think it looks much better than before. I mean, yeah, it is a little bit lifted. It makes it look different, huh? It makes it now you could tell like it's lifted, like the car. Hey, Chente, I think you need to go lower. You know why? Because with the wicker bill, with the diffuser makes you look more levantado. Like, come out real quick. Put your emergencies, hurry. Look at it from this angle. It looks like hella lifted. Because normally when you see these on like low cars, bro. Look. Does it? You can't tell or what? Like the top? Like it's hella levantado así, no? No, I never noticed it. I never noticed it. Oh, bigger wheels, so it looks what? It's just hella loud, bro. Cam? You like it or what? What's that? What do you think she should do? Oh my god. Oh my god.
There you sit. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the.
Oh no, welcome back. We're about to end it.
Okay. Alright. What's up, guys? So yeah. So yeah, as you guys can see, we installed a fucking diffuser. I couldn't get the wicker bill because I don't like it, but I'll be getting one soon. Hopefully it looks better. Right now it's just a diffuser, so it kind of looks like not good, right? But as soon as I get the fucking wicker bill, it's gonna be looking good. It's gonna be over in the bag now. I don't know, I'm not sure though, but yeah, guys, keep watching the RMRC media videos, content, and everything. Go like, subscribe, share, and yeah, that's much.
So yeah, guys, it was just a short video on a short install on the 2019 Scat, or any Scat. I don't know. Wait, I think all Scats are like this, but yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys like the content, and I hope you guys learned something from this video and see how easy it was to install this diffuser. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe.